the exotic plants of Borneo, a botanical treasure trove. Borneo, the third largest island in the world, is not only a haven for unique wildlife, but also a hotspot for exotic plant species. Its lush, tropical rainforests, some of the oldest on Earth, provide the perfect environment for an astounding diversity of flora. With over 15,000 plant species, including 6,000 endemics, Borneo is a botanical paradise, teeming with species that play crucial roles in the island's ecosystems. From towering trees and vibrant orchids to carnivorous plants and the world's largest flowers, Borneo's plant life is as fascinating as it is diverse. 1. The iconic flora of Borneo: Rafflesia, Rafflesia arnoldi, and Rafflesia keithii. 1. Description: known as the world's largest flower, Rafflesia can grow up to 1 meter in diameter and weigh up to 10 kilograms. 1. Its vivid red petals are covered in white, wart-like spots. 2. Unique features, often called the corpse flower. Rafflesia emits a foul smell resembling rotting flesh to attract carrion flies for pollination. 3. Habitat. Found in lowland rainforests, these parasitic plants lack leaves, stems, or roots, relying entirely on their host vines, typically of the Tetrastigma genus, for nutrients. 4. Conservation. Endangered due to habitat loss and its highly specific ecological requirements. Pitcher plants, Nepenthes. 1. Description: Borneo is home to more than 30 species of pitcher plants, including the giant Nepenthes raja, which can trap small animals like rodents and frogs. 2. Unique features. These carnivorous plants have modified leaves that form pitchers filled with digestive fluids, allowing them to extract nutrients from prey. 3. Habitat. They thrive in nutrient-poor soils, including montane forests and peat swamps. 4. Examples. Nepenthes lowii, known for its mutualistic relationship with tree shrews, Nepenthes ampullaria, and Nepenthes bicalcarata. Giant dipterocarp trees. Description: the dipterocarps dominate Borneo's rainforests and are responsible for its towering canopy, with some species reaching over 70 meters in height. 2. Unique features. These trees produce large seeds that are dispersed during mast fruiting events, occurring every 2 to 10 years. 3. Economic importance. They are highly valued for timber and resin, though this has led to extensive deforestation. 4. Notable species: Shorea, Dipterocarpus, and Hopecia. 2. Orchids, the gems of the rainforest. Borneo is home to over 1,700 species of orchids, ranging from tiny, delicate flowers to vibrant, showy blooms. 2. Notable species: Bulbophyllum beccari, known for its strong odor and unique pollination strategy. Paphiopedilum rothschildianum, often called the gold of Kinabalu, this rare orchid is one of the most sought-after and endangered orchids in the world. Qualagene spp. elegant orchids found in both lowland and montane forests. 3. Habitat. Orchids thrive in diverse environments including mangroves, limestone outcrops, and cloud forests. 3. Other exotic plants. Mangroves. 1. Description. Borneo's mangrove forests are vital ecosystems that support wildlife and protect coastlines from erosion. 2. Species: Rhizophora red mangroves, Avicennia black mangroves, and Soneratia apple mangroves. 3. Importance: these trees serve as nurseries for fish, crustaceans, and other marine life, and they play a critical role in carbon sequestration. Bamboo. 1. Description. Borneo is rich in bamboo species, which are fast-growing and essential for both the ecosystem and local communities. 2. Uses: used in construction, crafts, and as a food source, young shoots. Ironwood U. Sideroxylon zwageri. 1. Description. Known locally as Belian, ironwood is a slow-growing tree with extremely durable wood that is resistant to rot and pests. 2. Uses: highly valued for building materials, particularly in traditional longhouses and bridges. 3. Conservation. Overharvesting has made this tree rare in many parts of Borneo. Ferns and epiphytes. 1. Borneo is home to a variety of epiphytic plants that grow on trees, including ferns, mosses, and lichens. 2. Staghorn ferns, Platycerium spp, large ferns with antler-like fronds, often found clinging to tree trunks. 3. Importance: these plants do not harm their hosts, but use them for structural support, obtaining nutrients from rain and organic debris. 4. Limestone flora. Borneo's limestone outcrops are home to a unique suite of plants adapted to the harsh, nutrient-poor environment. 1. Begonias. Many species of begonias, with their striking leaves and delicate flowers, are endemic to Borneo's limestone regions. 2. Lithophytic orchids. Orchids that grow directly on limestone rock, drawing nutrients from the air and rain. 5. Palms and cycads. Rattan. Description. Climbing palms with long, slender stems that are harvested for cane furniture and handicrafts. 2. Economic importance. Rattan is a major source of income for local communities, though over-harvesting poses a threat to wild populations. Sago palm, Matroxylon sagu. 1. Description. A palm species that produces starch used in traditional Bornean cuisine. 2. Uses. Its starch, extracted from the trunk, is a staple food for many indigenous groups. Cycads. 1. Ancient plants resembling palms, cycads are living fossils that date back to the age of dinosaurs. 1. Several species are endemic to Borneo's forests. 6. The role of Borneo's plants in the ecosystem. 1. Carbon storage. Borneo's rainforests are a crucial carbon sink, helping to mitigate climate change. 2. Biodiversity support. Plants provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds for countless species, including orangutans, hornbills, and insects. 3. Cultural significance. Indigenous communities depend on plants for medicine, food, and traditional practices. 7. Threats to Borneo's flora. Despite its natural wealth, Borneo's plant life faces significant threats. 1. Deforestation. Logging, palm oil plantations, and infrastructure development have led to the loss of vast tracts of rainforest. 2. Climate change. Altered weather patterns and rising temperatures threaten sensitive ecosystems, particularly montane and limestone habitats. 3. Overharvesting. Excessive collection of orchids, rattan, and ironwood for commercial purposes is unsustainable. 4. Invasive species. Non-native plants compete with endemic species for resources, altering ecosystems. 8. Conservation efforts are underway to protect Borneo's unique plant life. 1. Protected areas. National parks like Gunung Mulu, Denham Valley, and Kinabalu safeguard critical habitats. 2. Botanical gardens. Research institutions and botanical gardens are working to cultivate and preserve endangered species. 3. Sustainable practices. Initiatives promoting sustainable logging, agriculture, and ecotourism are helping to reduce deforestation. Borneo's plants are an integral part of its rich natural heritage, playing essential roles in sustaining both wildlife and human communities. Protecting this botanical treasure trove is crucial not only for the island's ecological balance, but also for the planet's overall health.